Hey, what's up there, YouTube? Now after I make my bed, I'm gonna grab the trash can and throw away my trash. Yep. And maybe warm up my coffee. It's probably cold. And grab me something to eat. I don't care if you guys judge me. I'm a cartoon fan. Yep, I'm a cartoon freak. I'll be right back. I almost fell. Am I that hungry? Yeah. Nice. Hey, clean this later. Yep. Oh, there's my button. I'll put it up there. Thank you, Pablo, for giving me a nice deck. I sleeved up with this this sleeve, so. But that's a whole different story, whole different YouTube, whole different TikTok. You take a small coffee break. Dang, that's good coffee. Put this up here. You can tell I'm not recording on my regular camera. My 4K camera is because I am just taking a break for a while, so I should give this to Shanti, but I'll eventually give it to her later. Shoutouts to my rival. I like her as a friend. She's really cool. Also, here pretty soon I'm going to charge my phone. All the trash is almost picked up, except for one box. I will toss that later. Here pretty soon I need to vacuum my floor and also take out the trash after all this, so yeah. Oh yeah, my room is almost definitely clean except for a few things here and there. Yep. I need to warm up my coffee and check up on my laundry, so. Dusty, dirty glasses. Yeah. Anyways, that's all I can do for now. Besides, put away some of my stuff, except for my pair of pants I got right there. So, anyways, that's all I can do for trash. Oh, besides batteries. Yeah, check out my laundry and also charge my phone. I'll see you guys in the next video. So, peace.